Fancy a quick and delicious Chinese adventure for your taste buds? Imagine a dish that combines the rich, creamy texture of butter chicken with the bold, savory flavors of Chinese cuisine. Intrigued? You should be. Look no further than this amazing Chinese butter chicken recipe. It's a fusion dish that brings together the best of both worlds, creating a symphony of flavors that will leave you wanting more. It's ready in just 5 minutes, perfect for those busy evenings when you crave a tasty, exotic meal. No more waiting for delivery or spending hours in the kitchen. This recipe is designed for speed and flavor. Forget the takeaway menus. This recipe brings the magic of Chinese cuisine straight to your kitchen. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a dish that rivals your favorite restaurant. We're talking tender chicken pieces coated in a rich, creamy sauce, bursting with authentic Chinese flavors. The sauce is a perfect blend of spices and creaminess, making every bite a delight. It's so easy to make, you'll wonder why you haven't tried it before. The steps are straightforward, and the ingredients are likely already in your pantry. So, roll up your sleeves and let's get cooking. This Chinese butter chicken is not just a meal, it's an experience. An experience that brings joy, flavor, and a touch of adventure to your dining table. Before we embark on this culinary journey, let's gather our ingredients. It's essential to have everything ready before you start cooking. This not only makes the process smoother, but also ensures that you don't miss any crucial steps. You'll be surprised how simple they are. Often the best dishes come from the most basic ingredients. It's all about how you combine them. For this dish, you'll need diced chicken breast, which is a great source of protein and adds a wonderful texture to the meal. Soy sauce, honey, garlic, ginger, butter, and spring onions. These ingredients will create a harmonious blend of flavors, balancing sweetness, saltiness, and a hint of spice. Remember, fresh ingredients are key to unlocking the best flavors. Freshness can make a significant difference in the taste and quality of your dish. For measurements, I always say, trust your instincts. Cooking is an art, and sometimes, a little bit of this and a pinch of that can make all the difference. But for this recipe, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of honey, will provide the perfect balance of savory and sweet. A clove of minced garlic, which adds a robust and aromatic flavor, a small piece of grated ginger, a knob of butter, which will give a rich and creamy texture, and a couple of chopped spring onions will do the trick. These will add a fresh, slightly pungent flavor, and a bit of crunch to your dish. With all these ingredients ready, you're set to create a delicious and memorable meal. Now the fun part begins. Heat up your wok or pan over medium-high heat. This is where the magic starts. Make sure your pan is nice and hot before you add anything to it. A hot pan ensures that everything cooks quickly and evenly, giving you that perfect texture and flavor. Add a generous knob of butter and let it melt completely. Watch as it sizzles and bubbles, filling your kitchen with a rich, buttery aroma. The butter not only adds flavor but also helps to create a beautiful golden crust on the chicken. Throw in the minced garlic and grated ginger, stir them around until they release their wonderful aroma. This combination is the heart of many Asian dishes, providing a fragrant and flavorful base. Keep stirring to ensure they don't burn, as burnt garlic can turn bitter. Next, add the diced chicken. Stir-fry it until it turns a beautiful golden brown. The key here is to keep the chicken moving in the pan, so it cooks evenly on all sides. This step is crucial for locking in the juices and ensuring the chicken remains tender and flavorful. Now, pour in the soy sauce and honey. Stir well to coat the chicken evenly. The soy sauce adds a savory depth, while the honey brings a touch of sweetness that balances the dish perfectly. Let it simmer for a minute, allowing the flavors to meld together and the sauce to thicken slightly. Finally, add the chopped spring onions. Give it a final stir to mix everything together. The spring onions add a fresh, vibrant touch to the dish. And there you have it. Your Chinese butter chicken is ready to be devoured. Serve it hot with steamed rice or noodles and enjoy the delightful blend of flavors and textures. Section 4. Flavor punches and twists. Want to add a bit of a kick? Throw in some chopped chilies while stir-frying. Feeling adventurous? Add a dash of Chinese cooking wine for an extra layer of flavor. The beauty of this recipe is its versatility. You can customize it to your liking. For a thicker sauce, mix a teaspoon of cornstarch with water and add it to the simmering chicken. It's all about experimenting and finding your perfect blend of flavors. Section 5. Serving up a storm. Serve this delicious Chinese butter chicken hot over a bed of fluffy white rice. Garnish it with some chopped coriander and sesame seeds for that extra touch of elegance. Trust me, it tastes as good as it looks. And there you have it. A restaurant-quality Chinese butter chicken whipped up in your kitchen in just 5 minutes. Remember, cooking is all about having fun and experimenting with different flavors. So go on, unleash your inner chef, and enjoy this culinary adventure.